Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we continue working on our beautiful Tesla that we did a lot of framework on it. So this time we got everything glued in. Now we're ready to start welding this thing in because it's nice and dry. We can take all of these guys off. It should be pretty easy. Look at that. So it's coming apart, nothing's moving, so that's a really good sign. We're gonna get that welded, but before we do that, we had a big box come in.
Oh yeah.
And you guys never guess what it is. A body kit.
Oh boy.
I'm just going like on eBay and I'm like, ooh, what can we buy for this Tesla? And this thing popped up. I'm like, ooh.
Sheesh.
So here's the box.
Oh yeah, that's huge.
It's a big box right there.
Is this a full body kit item? Front bumper, back bumper, side skirts, or just the front? Just
everything. It comes with the front bumper, rear bumper, a spoiler, and little side thingies, diffuser thingies.
it's a lot of stuff in a box.
Kind of exciting.
Is it like an add-on to your bumper? Or
No, it's a completely new bumper.
Completely new bumper. Wow. Okay. That looks like a lot of fun.
Kind of exciting.
And then you still have your old bumpers you could sell, I guess.
Yep. There we go, here we go. Look at this box of goodies. We got a...
License plate?
We don't need that.
No.
Something in here.
Lights?
These are probably the lights.
Oh wow, fog lights or something?
I don't know. Yeah, it is fog lights.
Wow.
LED, that's pretty cool. We don't need that right now. Yeah. What?
That is cute.
And they're plastic bumpers, so it's good. It's not fiberglass, something like that. It should be pretty sweet.
Yeah, they're not folded in half, because some bumpers do come folded in half, so it's kind of weird. So this is nice.
Got a little damage.
There we go, wow.
Look at that.
Sheesh. Looks like
Look at that. Definitely cool. So, wow.
It's interesting right there in the front though. What's up with that? It's like a... Is that a design?
Got a bulge. I don't know, might have to just heat that up, bend it out. But it's got the parking sensors, it's got the fog lights we can put in. I mean, that's way more aggressive, way more nicer, but we'll see how that looks later.
That looks really cool.
On the car, I think it'd be pretty cool. I think we could probably do two-tone. Maybe this black, this red, to kind of make it contrast.
Oh yeah.
But definitely like a body kit style, no?
Oh yeah, looks cool.
Here's the rear bumper, which we need already. Oh, looks like a little bit of damage right there. Check that out. So it's got reflectors, which we got. And then it's got this like diffuser kind of thing looking. Pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Definitely needs to be warmed up. The bumper's folded. But we're gonna have to definitely try this out. And then we still got the spoiler and some other little pieces. So that's pretty cool.
Nice.
Yeah, let's open up the spoiler. Let's check out the spoiler.
Like a little indents on it.
Yeah, it's got like a diffuser style, little airflow. It's got this little trim thingy.
Paint that a different color basically.
Yeah.
Might go for black.
Probably. Got a little Tesla logo, right? Like that. Maybe do like a, well, car's red, so yeah. This is probably a little side diffuser. It is. A lot of 3M tape.
Oh boy. Well, specifically cut out, so that's nice.
So this is a little diffuser. Little pieces, you know, to the puzzle.
Wow.
I think it goes right here. Like that. Yeah. That's pretty cool, like it indents out a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I didn't think it was
the
gonna
same color.
stick out.
That's nice.
That's pretty cool. And then we have our spoiler. Exciting.
It's gonna be a very unique Tesla at the end.
You know, that's what we do here. We customize what nobody else wants to do. And I mean, it was really reasonable for the price. I think it was like almost $1,000 for shipping.
That's not bad. I mean, you need 2 bumpers.
It's not bad at all. Ooh, spoiler number 1.
Sheesh.
More glue stuff.
Keep that together, probably. Gonna look good. Having a spoiler on there.
Pretty cool. It goes. I don't know. Let's see. Either. No. No.
I'm gonna look at some pictures.
Maybe it connects to the spoiler.
We'll figure that out, yeah.
Hold on, we gotta see this.
Got it.
Yeah.
There's 2 bolts.
So probably like this. Oh, like that, yeah.
Where does that go?
Hold on, let me space this thing. Oh, heck yeah. We don't even need these things. They're probably. Oh, it is like
Oh,
that. Like that, yeah.
So it's like part of the latch. Alright. Eyebrows.
It's pretty cool. I mean, something different, you know? Like, you gotta customize, you know? We can't have everything like somebody else's Tesla, so that's pretty cool. Maybe we'll smoke these guys, who knows? But it can't be stock.
Gonna look good.
So pretty much we're ready. We'll start messing with body kit maybe afterwards, after we get everything welded in. We start doing some body work, then we can test fit everything, make sure it's good, because that bumper has to sit outside and let it like kind of settle, you know, because it's been in the box. But we got a lot of welding to do. We got to weld in here, here. This is good. We got to weld in here a little bit, and we'll be good to go. So let's get straight to it. right guys, and just like that, we got some body filler on there. It's looking really good. So over here we got a couple little dents when the old panel was put on. Took it off, it kind of did it. Got a little bit of damage here. We're gonna, start sanding it, let it dry completely. It's kind of dry, but we gotta let it dry completely, and then we're gonna finish it up, and then we still got the rocker. So I put some fiberglass resin on this because there was a couple of dents I could not pull out, and we tried, but this is gonna be nice and secure. It's not gonna fall off. We're just gonna have a little bit of skim coat of body filler on top. The other stuff's gonna be resin. It's gonna be really looking good. And then I had some time, and I put on the rear bumpers. Let's check out this bumper right here. Guys, check that out. We got the, our body kit on our Tesla, which is, I'm excited about. It's gonna look good. I mean, the fitment is really nice. We're still missing a little bracket right here. So once the bracket comes in, this will pop the bumper out, but it's coming out nice. It's super aggressive. Got this little vent right here for what we don't know. We got the diffuser. That's pretty cool. But unfortunately, that's all the time we got for this episode, you guys. I actually gotta hit the road. We actually picked up a new build, and I gotta go pick it up myself, because Michael's busy. But leave us a comment down below what you guys think of the progress so far. I'm thinking it's looking great. We're gonna knock out the bodywork next time. We're gonna maybe test fit the other bumpers on there and the side diffusers and all that. And we'll get this thing primered and almost ready for paint. So we'll catch you guys next time.